It's day 5. Boo is growing a little restless. I don't know if she's warning me about raiders or what, but she's been chirping and meowing and barking at the birds out the window. She might just hate birds. Or maybe they're plotting against us. Who knows? Update on yesterday. I helped a neighboring tribe try to find Hollow. We went to several Walmart towns and Target towns. A certain area. Found none. No avail. I feel our quest was unfulfilled. Today I must venture out, restock on a couple supplies, check my traps. I got a lot of good feedback for those on what to use for bait. I mean, so keep those ideas coming, because I have no idea. How to catch a female. Otherwise, this whole slave trade thing probably would be done by now. But I digress. I did get a lot of good feedback, and I've got some new bait for some new traps. Yes, I can't tell you what it is though, because again, I accidentally blew the cover on the Starbucks thing. But it's day 5. I'm gonna soon be taking applications for hunting and raiding parties. I feel I'm going to need those. Those are going to be important. And probably by I don't know, day 12. I'm kind of new at this post-apocalyptic warlord thing. But still. I think it's going to look good on my resume, though, when it's all said and done. What'd you do for 30 days? What'd you do with this 30-day employment gap? I was a post-apocalyptic warlord. Yeah. I'm going to need this to be a success. Or an epic failure, you know, a learning lesson. In case another one of these COVID ID 19, 24, 7, I don't know, another beer virus comes out. But anyways, onward to misadventures for day 5.